Hi, today we're gonna talk about margins. Here, I'm using CodePen to see live examples. To get started, let's create an element div with red borders and fixed width and height so we can see the effects. We usually use margin for element spacing, since margin affects outside of element borders. So example, let's create one more. So to give spacing for these two elements, we can just add margin. This is our border, which is red, and outside of that, we have 10 pixel margin on each of the element. Now, here's a tips. We can pull element from the right without using floats by using margin left auto. It adds margins to all space remaining on the left. If we set auto to the left and right margin of element, it centers the element. So, for this one, it added 0 margin for top and bottom, and for the left and right is auto. To achieve these elements, must be display black. Since black elements are in full width, we can set fixed width for that. Same thing on what I did. Now, in margins, we can also set negative values, but only works on left and top margins. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned. See you in my next episode, which is padding.